Hi, this is Lena from Lena's Pretty Things. Today's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. A big 53. Anyway, today we're going to do an
Year old.
unboxing for Tamed Wild. With love from Tamed Wild. This is the April box.
With love, I need some of that.
Okay. Ritual Roots. That tells us what's in it. We're not going to read that right now. Okay, this is the Spirit of Austera and a Ritual for Resurrection. Okay, so we have a ritual candle. We have the Rose of Jericho. It says, there is much we can learn from the Rose of Jericho. The obvious being, when food and water are abundant, we flourish and expand. But when resources are limited, it's wise to slow down and turn inward. Appropriately nicknamed the resurrection plant, this dormant flower grows up to 5 times its size when exposed to water. As the water dries up, the plant begins to shrink. Although it may appear as if it's dying, the Rose of Jericho is resourceful. This plant's leafy arms curl inward, storing energy in its core to prepare for another cycle of rest, reflection, and hibernation. You may put my Rose of Jericho up there in the plants because I'm going to plant it. The ritual candle, as a nod to Brigade, our inner hearth fire, and the long-awaited return of the sun, place this floating candle in the agate's egg bathwater. Okay. Then we have a tea. This one here is Austera Tisanti tea. Brew a cup of Austera Tisanti tea to invoke the spirit of spring. This soft blend of peppermint leaves and chamomile flowers gently warms the body and settles the nervous stomach. We got a tea this time, and we're going to have to try it today for my birthday, okay?
Okay.
It contains chamomile and spearmint. Okay. And then we have a little baggie here that's, I'm pretty sure, got an amulet in it. Necklace or some kind. There we go. And this here is Brigade's Cross Amulet. Brigade is the Celtic goddess of poetry, fire, and motherhood and animals. In the old world, her followers would weave a wheel of fire, known as Brigade's Cross, to hang above the earth. We wear this amulet to honor Brigade and ask that in return she protect our home, uphold our health, and guide us into the light.
What religion is that from?
Hmm?
This.
Huh?
What religion is it from, is what I'm asking.
That's one of the witch. That's a goddess.
Oh, never mind.
Okay. To add the amulet to a bracelet or a chain, use a pair of pliers. Tells you how to do all that. And the Brigade's Cross amulet is the second charm in our 2021 amulet series. There will be a total of 6 charms that subscribers can collect in preparation for the end of the year intention setting ceremony. So you'll be getting 5 more of these.
Different kinds.
Different kinds, yes. And that goes in that. And here we have
Bubble wrap.
this one here is the agate egg.
What are you doing?
Shh, pause it. There we go. We have an agate egg. Throughout history, the egg has been a symbol of new beginnings, stored potential, clinical regeneration, abundance, and in some stories, an entire universe. Another way to think about it, the egg represents you. In today's ritual, we will rouse the egg from its winter slumber. Together, we will wash away the dust from the seasons past and prepare ourselves for the magic that awaits us in the light of the half of the year. And put it back in here, please.
I'm filming. I can't.
And then this beautiful little baggie here, that says magic on it, ain't it pretty? Is a ritual bag. Well, tarot bag. Use the tarot bag to store your favorite tarot cards, crystals, or a pendulum. There's nothing else. But I use the crinkle paper for my boxes. Ain't that pretty? Aren't those pretty?
Yes, very pretty.
Yes. Very pretty.
Boop.
All right, Bree. All of this stuff is yours.
Yay.
You put it all down in here. Ritual candle. Your necklace can go back down in this. Anyway, this is Lena from Lena's Pretty Things. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't, please. Give us a thumbs up. Share us. Leave a comment. And as I said, this is the March box. They sell for $20 a month. And it's $5 shipping all the time. And it's through Tamed Wild, TAMEDWILD.com. Have a great day and happy Easter, everybody. Bye.